Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Torah School Online. The autumn is here and this is the prime time to enjoy the colors on our deciduous trees. But it is also the fine time to work on pines before the winter. Maybe you recognized this tree from my previous videos. I will put the links below this video. There in those videos you can see the development of this tree. But now it is time to do another step in development of this tree. I'm planning some serious work on this tree. First of all, I want to cut that lowest branch off, and I want to compact the tree as much as possible. I already discussed this lowest branch in one of my previous videos. Now I decided to cut it off because it is too weak, too long and bent in the weird angle. So without further ado, let's start working. And yes, first job will be cutting this branch off. And now the long work of cutting off the old wire, cleaning and removing the old needles will follow. Okay, the tree is now without wire. I also pluck all the old needles and now the tree is ready for the next step. We will put a new wire on it and style it. Everything is ready. I will use the copper wire, of course, and I will start at the bottom and then I will proceed towards the top. I will also take care of the structure of the branches and the crown, so I will also cut some minor branches during this process. Here is the example of how we can improve the structure of the branches. Here we have 1, 2 tertiary branches, and we have here also 2 which are growing from the one spot. So I will cut this one, and now I have a proper structure of the branch. As you know, we are international school, so the students are coming and I will spend some time with them before I continue to work on the tree. Before I continue to work on the tree, I just want to say thanks to all our supporters. Again, all of you who already clicked the thanks button, thank you. And of course, thank you also all of you who already picked some goodies, some merch from our web shop. If you don't have the button below this video, in some countries this is not visible, I will put the link to the web shop in descriptions below. And special thanks to all the members of our channel. Your support is great. Thank you. Wiring is done. Now I just want to join together these two different entities, so top with the bottom part. I will do this simply with pulling the top down. Of course, now I must rearrange a little bit the branches and the job will be done. So this is the result. The journey since the tree was collected is just great. Let's see the photos. The tree is now ready for the winter and the next growing season. Meanwhile, I managed to do a new shelves. And we will put the tree on the shelves a little bit later. First, I want to show you the tree also in tokonoma. Probably I will need a new stand. This is a little too small for this tree. But nevertheless, I am really happy with the development of this tree. My plans for the future, just to mature the crown and to get it even denser than it is at this moment. If you look at the tree in person, then you can see even more details and even more movement than on the pictures or in this video. For example, the trunk is moving first back and then goes towards the front and then up. So this kind of movement is not visible on the photos or on the video. So let's move the tree outside into the new stand. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next one.